To say that the absolute value of the quantity x minus 6 over 3 is less than or equal to 7 is the same as saying that x is in the closed interval from a to b, where a is this and b is that. All right, so from a mathematical point of view, what we need to solve for is x minus 6 over 3 is less than or equal to 7, and x minus 6 over 3 is greater than or equal to negative 7. And then we're just going to solve those. From a more intuitive point of view, we have a timeline. And what this is saying is x minus 6 over 3 is a distance of less than or equal to 7 from 0. So we have 0 right here. We have 7 right here. And we have negative 7 over here. So what it's saying is this distance right here is x minus 6 over 3. And this whole area in here is possible based on this equality. So I like to think of absolute value less as this right here, which is saying that it's less than or equal to the positive value, 7, and it's greater than the negative value, and think of it more as a distance. So this distance, x minus 6 over 3, that distance is less than 7. And that way you can think of, okay, 0 branches out to 7. All right, so that's the concept we want to go for. Now we're going to solve this and see if this kind of sort of makes sense. So I'm going to start with this top inequality up here. So I'm going to say that x minus 6 over 3 less than or equal to 7. Multiply both sides by 3. One thing to keep in mind is if you're multiplying or dividing by a negative number, you need to flip the signs. But since 3 is positive, we don't have to worry about it. So x minus 6 is less than or equal to 7. So multiply by 3, we get 21. X is less than or equal to 21 plus 6, which is 27. Okay, so now we're going to do the other side. Red. Yeah, I like red. X minus 6 over 3 is greater than or equal to negative 7. So that's this portion right here that we talked about, greater than or equal to negative 7. And so we can say x minus 6 is greater than or equal to negative 21, because negative 7 times 3. X is greater than or equal to negative 21 plus 6, which is negative 15. Yep. And so then we're going to draw this on the timeline. You don't have to, but I want to because it makes me feel better. This says that x is in between negative 15 and 27. So to check that, I am going to plug them in to our equation up here. So x minus 6 over 3 absolute value is less than or equal to 7. Copy this, bring it down, take a look at it. So if we plug in negative 15 minus 6 over 3, negative 15 minus 6 is negative 21 over 3, which is negative 7. Absolute value of negative 7 is 7. 7 is less than or equal to 7. So that works. Now we'll try the other side just to be sure. I like to check things when I get time. If I'm crunched for time, some sort of timed evolution, then I'm just like, probably right, and I wing it. So the other value we had was what? 27? 27. 27 minus 6 over 3. 27 minus 6 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7, which is, in fact, less than or equal to, because it is equal to, 7. All right. And then just to make sure, I'm going to choose a number between these just to make sure that the in-between part is right. I'm going to choose 0. So 0, because 0 is between negative 15 and 27. 0 minus 6 over 3. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. Absolute value of negative 2 is 2. 2 is less than or equal to 7. So check, that's also true. All right, so it looks like we got it. Negative 15 and 27. A is negative 15. B is 27. So that's how I approach that problem. Hope it helped.